Hi everyone, just a little tip if you've upgraded to macOS Tahoe. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly there, but macOS 26. You may have noticed, this is the public release by the way, not the beta. But you may have noticed that some of your drives are coming up using the old style icons. There doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason to this either. It's like some just work, some don't. But an easy way to fix it is to actually find the correct icon and just paste it over the top of the one that's there. So to do with that, they're actually stored in this location. So if you just open up Macintosh HD and then go to System and then just browse to this location and then go so it's System, Library, Extensions, and then you've just got to be a little bit careful that you choose the right one here. So it's iOS Storage Family. So it's this one. And then to display that, if you just right click and say Show Package Contents, and then say Contents, and then say Resources, and it's there, look. And then all you need to do, well, that's the one that I'm using for this particular one. So if you just right click on the offending drive and say Get Info, or you can do a Command I, and then if you just literally just drag the icon file over the top of that, and there you go. You got the new little icon. That's it's only a small thing, but I just find it really annoying. And the other ones are there as well if you need the like the Macintosh HD one or the removable one and all the rest of it. So yeah, it's just because on one of my machines it was doing this, and I thought the clean install of macOS would solve all these kind of little bugs, but it hasn't at all. So it's definitely something that they'll hopefully patch out in 26.1, but as of yet they haven't, and I'm recording this on the 23rd of September 2025, so hopefully they will do. Just generally macOS Tahoe, I really like it, but there is just one or two little things where you just feel like, I don't know, it almost could have maybe have done with another beta. I think in hindsight I probably would have waited until 26.1 before updating. It's a shame really, because I think this is probably the first time, I know that it's not just this, there is a few other little bits and pieces that I've noticed. And it's probably the first time that I've upgraded to macOS and had any kind of issue at all. It's normally just completely flawless. So anyway, just a little tip there if you want to get your icons looking correct. Okay, cheers guys.